Hello.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Thank you.
Ramzan, am I saying your name correctly?
Yes, my name is Ramzan.
Ramzan, okay, cool. Where are you from?
I'm from India,
Oh, okay. Where about in India?
in northern part of India.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm from, do you know Liverpool in England?
Not, but only know England.
Yeah, I'm from England, and right now I'm living in South Korea.
Okay, great. So,
Yeah.
what's your profession?
I'm a student, but I have an English teaching certificate, so I just teach online and some in-person tutoring at school. So yeah, student slash English teacher. What about you?
I'm a software engineer working on mobile apps and websites.
Wow, okay. How
Yes.
long have you done that for?
I'm working from last 3 years. I graduated 3 years back.
Oh, okay. From university, did you just do a bachelor's or did you also do a master's?
Yes, yes, from university, I did the bachelor and then started working in a company for 2 years. And then
Hmm.
after I started my own work as a freelancer.
Hmm.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wow. So, how is it working as a freelancer? Do you have more free time or just more freedom to pick what you can do?
Yes, actually, I have to be more serious.
Ah, yeah.
Yes. If I am wasting my time, then definitely I have my own loss. And if
Yeah.
I am consuming that time in a productive way, then obviously I will be getting more benefit out of it.
Yeah, for sure. You need more motivation.
Yes. So you are living with your family or you are away from them?
I'm away from my family right now. I live with my friends. I'm studying at the minute I'm studying Korean. Um, but when I'm back home in England, I live with my family. What
Okay.
about you? Do you live alone?
Yes, actually, I was away from my family for, uh, I mean, always after sixth standard. But from last I'm about 6 months, I'm living with my family because I have my own office and working from home. So that's why my family is with me.
Yeah, okay, that's nice. That's nice. Do you
Yes.
like living with your family?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Do you have a big family?
Not much bigger. Only father, mother, two, three siblings. That's it.
Oh, okay, nice. Are you the eldest sibling?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So younger brothers or younger sisters?
Yes, yes.
Oh, both? Wow.
So
Nice.
can you please tell me about your culture that what is the best thing that you found where you are living and because of which you are feeling happy over there?
Yeah, well, here in South Korea, I really like the public transport here is a lot
Mhm.
better than my hometown. So like the subway, it's really cheap.
Mhm.
In my hometown, we don't have the subway. We only have buses and trains. So that's
Mhm.
really nice. Um, what else? Here in South Korea, everything is really convenient. So
Mhm.
most things are open 24 hours. Um, whereas in my hometown, the only thing that's open for 24 hours is McDonald's.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, English is your native language or you have any other language?
Yeah. No, just English. I'm like maybe intermediate in Korean. But yeah, my native language is English. What about you?
Yeah, my native language is Urdu or maybe
Okay.
Hindi,
Hmm.
and I learned English because I had required this, and in our schooling, we had the English medium, so that's why it was easier for us to learn. I mean, read, write.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So one more thing is that what about the education system where you are living? Actually, I've heard about that in South Korea.
Hmm.
The students are very good at cramming.
Yeah, really, really good.
So
Not
is
me.
it like that?
Maybe I'm a little lazy, but the other students. Um, so in my class, it's only international students, but I
Mhm.
have like Korean friends on other courses, and they
Okay.
have like classes 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. And then like their younger siblings who are in high school will have high school classes from 8 p.m. until 4 p.m. But before class, they'll go to like a special maths school from 6, then go to high school, do all of their classes, and then after high school, have extra classes until like 9 or 10 p.m., and then do their homework until midnight, 1 p.m. It's really crazy.
Okay. So
They
you
all just
mean
do
that
a
they
lot.
have the strict schedule over there, right?
Yeah, for sure.
And
What about in India? How is it where you live?
yes, here in India, everything is normal. I mean,
Huh.
not much strict in terms of cramming.
Hmm.
Obviously, the people are much focused on understanding the things, and
Hmm.
it also depends on the level of the school where they are getting the education. Because in the higher standard schools, they have the good strictness, they have the quality education, but in the hometowns,
Hmm.
uh, I mean, the education system is little normal.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So how long did you learn English for?
Uh, Actually, I was able to read and write from my second or maybe third standard,
Okay.
but I practiced my spoken English from last 3 years.
Wow. Yeah, your spoken English is really good.
Yes. So your accent is a British accent or American accent?
British. I have a slight dialect from my hometown, Liverpool.
Uh-huh.
Um, but yeah, British.
Okay, great. So which is the best one? We must learn American accent or British?
I think maybe I'm biased. I prefer British.
Uh-huh.
But I know a lot of people tell me that they think American is easier to understand. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe if you study British, like British English, if you can understand British English, it would probably be easy still for you to know American. Whereas I know a lot of people who study English and they study it like through American, they struggle to understand like British sometimes. Do you prefer like American accent or English accent?
Okay. So what you will suggest to a beginner if someone is learning English? So what you will be thinking that how he or she should start their English learning?
Ooh, ooh, difficult question. I
Not
think
much
it's
difficult. You are an English teacher.
I think it's important to get like the set beginning phrases. So like
Mhm.
how are you? Where are you from? Just the beginning introductory phrases to
Mhm.
get them down and learn a lot just mainly how to speak about yourself. And I
Mhm.
think it also depends on what you want to use English for. If you want to speak to people, reading and writing isn't as important and focus
Mhm.
on the speaking.
So
Yeah.
can you suggest any specific platform where someone can practice pronunciation or maybe reading
Mm.
practice or listening practice?
Of course, Cambly. Hmm. Uh, British Council English have a
Mhm.
lot of online resources.
Mhm.
And that's all I ever really use for my classes, to be honest.
Okay, actually, I also gone through the British Council English, and over there is a great thing to listen. Actually,
Yeah, it's really good.
okay, bye.